What makes a burger truly unforgettable? Join me as we make the juiciest, flavorful beef burger ever. Greetings, Sanibonani, and welcome. My name is Sibu. Let's start with the onion jam or marmalade. Heat the oil, then fry sliced onions, stirring occasionally. These onions might look like a lot, but they will reduce as they cook. Please make sure that you have enough. I will leave a list of ingredients in the description box below. Add the salt and stir. The salt will help draw out the moisture and speed up the caramelization process. In this video, we're dealing with subpar, dry, flavorless burger. Add thyme leaves. If you don't have some of the ingredients like thyme, balsamic vinegar, and so on, you can just brown only the onions. Your burger will still be great and delicious. Add the brown sugar. It will help speed up the process and deepen that caramel flavor. Add the balsamic vinegar and soy sauce and stir. This is done on low and slow. Cook until it thickens. This might take between 20 to 30 minutes depending on the consistency of your choice. Meanwhile, preheat your skillet or grill until it's smoking hot. On medium to high heat, add oil. Then fry the burger patties. Your burger patties will not stick to the bottom if your skillet is smoking hot. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It's free to subscribe. It would be great to have you as a family member. Once you turn over the patties, place the cheese slice. Please note 3 to 4 minutes for medium rare, 4 to 5 minutes for medium per side. I will leave the temperatures in the description box below for those who have thermometers. I would like to know, what are your favorite burger toppings? Please comment below. Scrape the debris from the skillet, then reduce the heat to medium heat. Toast the burgers. Rotate the skillet for constant heat exposure. You may use the garlic flavored mayonnaise if you have it, or any. Remember, we cook with what we have. Let me tell you something about these burgers. They have a delightful contrast of sweet savory onions, the creaminess of mayo, and the rich juicy beef patty to give you an ultimate burger experience. Let's assemble our burgers. You may double the patties on top of each other. Oh, look at me closing them. I almost forgot the one important element. How could I? Please give me a thumbs up, that's a like, and please check out my next easy, delicious recipe. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.